Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is December the 4th, 2023, and we're looking at what's left of our gourds. So first you see a birdhouse gourd. Next you see a, what's that called? The loofah gourd, okay? Inside of there is going to be a loofah sponge and a bunch of seeds. So basically this year I just grew these to see if I could do it and to see if the growth medium would be sufficient, and apparently they like this growth medium. All that is leaves and detritus from live oaks inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi, which were left to sit under a tarp for about a year. So that as a grow medium is looking pretty good. But look at this, the resilience. As soon it's hot out right now, and we're in the beginning week of December, and they're coming back. So that just tells you, I mean, Florida, you just never know what the winter climate is going to be like. Some years are hot, some years are actually pretty cold. But let's take a look over here. We want to see how this gourd is doing. I see a loopworm right there, but he hasn't been able to get into there. This one is like the best formed. It feels like it's lost a lot of weight, so it's hollowing, it's drying out, and it hasn't lost any of its shape, which is good. So we're just going to let that vine dry, I think a little longer. We want it to get pretty much dry like this. This is ready to harvest. These two are ready to harvest down here. So the next video I'll go ahead and do that harvest. But if you look up here, this one didn't form fully. That's why it's caving in on this top side there. And definitely that one back there did not form fully. So you have a nice sized birdhouse gourd here, which is an adult, versus this little mini and that guy up there. So going forward, we're going to plant probably late March in 2024 using this exact same setup, because this setup is phenomenal. It ended up working out really well, even though we planted late in the grow season. But next year we're going to get a full grow season, so this is going to be really amazing and interesting to see how strong of a yield we can get in 2024. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, because I will be providing you updates on the progress of these gourds going into 2024. Have a great day.